Alright, so we are inside Joel's Huracan right now.
What's up?
We got Joel right here. I'll tag his Instagram right down below. He came up from Jersey today, so special shout out to Joel coming out. We're about to go for a ride in his Huracan.
About to go viral hitting this car.
Oh shit. Oh man. The engine behind you. Thing sounds amazing. Oh my god. Those downshifts though. Crazy.
Yeah, rev matches pretty nicely.
Oh man. Oh, those pops. That's what a Lambo is all about, man. That like exhaust sound like right behind you.
Oh, it's your seatbelt that's not on. Oh. Ooh, there's a nice little rice rocket.
See who wants to race. Oh my god.
What's up, man?
What's going on? You got an Instagram?
Yeah.
Shout it out.
Alright, hold on.
I'll tag you.
Shout it out. What is it?
Huh? Alright, my. Alright.
John Buckler.
Come on, Glory. Gotcha. Oh man. The way this thing sounds like amazing.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun to drive.
I think the double clutch they put in the Huracan is like a huge improvement over the E-gear they had in the Gallardo.
Oh yeah, big time.
It just shifts so much smoother.
Yeah, you can't really feel it unless you mess around with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go like super crazy.
Yeah. How's this like on a daily basis? Would you be able to like drive this around and be comfortable? Like as far as the road feel, it doesn't feel like harsh at all.
Brakes are real good.
Yeah, they are. Listen to those pops. Thing sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. This is normal mode though.
Oh, you didn't even put it in Corsa.
Yeah, if you want to drive like around town, this is like
The Strata.
yeah.
The Strata is a big change.
Yeah, it's like you're driving, everything's cool. You can't really feel anything.
Yeah.
This won't get you pulled over. What is this? Are they washing cars?
Hey guys.
Bikes in. Shout out your Instagram.
He like stalled for so long.
Yeah, I don't think he knew what it was for some reason.
Oh, he did.
Everything's $1.
Nah. So I drive here. You didn't mind driving this thing, driving this thing in Jersey.
Oh no, it's fun to drive.
Yeah.
Because you can be normal or you can,
Yeah. I think this and like.
Can I take a left to get there?
I believe you can take a left from here. This is the way we came from, I think, right?
I don't really know how to get there. No, we came down farther down.
Oh, sure. So
We'll see. Oh, there's a charger.
we're a little lost, guys.
It's, I think it can be this way.
Hey Siri, direct me to Somerset Square.
Getting directions to Somerset Square. Starting.
Yeah, we can go this way.
Somerset Square.
Keep
It's
straight.
like sounds like an English guy.
turn. That'll wake up the neighbors on Sunday morning. Yeah, wake them up for church. Oh yeah. Oh that. Oh man. And the body lines on this car are so nice.
Yeah, I need to replace that mirror. I don't really like that mirror.
No?
No, I'm gonna get like a square one. I had a square one on there, but it fell off.
Oh man. Oh, like the
spot mirror.
yeah,
Yeah,
small
it's a
one.
blind spot mirror.
Still straight. This is the plaza up ahead.
Turn right onto Glastonbury.
Oh, turn right here.
Oh, I can turn right here.
Yeah. Yeah, idle. The drone's not bad at all.
No, it's not bad. You can't really hear it. And when you drive it in Strata, you can't really hear it.
Yeah.
It's fun, you know.
It's gonna go. It's right here. It's right here. Next plaza. Oh, right here.
Destinations on your right.
Oh, my
Somerset
Roy.
Square.
Yeah.
Roy. So me, Roy.
Yo, so thanks for giving me a ride in this car.
Yeah,
This
man,
car
no
is sick.
problem.
I can't wait for the summertime so we can all link up. It's gonna be a crazy summer this summer. Like, we're gonna have content for you guys. I'll make sure I have it. I document it because, you know, it's all about the journey. It's not really about what's going on at the moment. It's about the journey and, you know, the excitement, the experiences you guys have. So I'll make sure I share it with you guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and like to the channel. And then, like I said, I'm going to tag Joel in the description down below. Oh man. Talk about fun. Right, yeah, Joel, I just want to say thank you again, man.
Yeah, man, no problem. I'm glad you liked it.
Thank you.
Glad you liked it, man.
Joel's getting ready to head out
Oh,
back
here
to
you go.
Jersey. So, everybody, like I said, go give him a follow. Make like glowing wind bag. It's crazy.